2018 Audi TT review. The Audi TT has a sophisticated interior with intuitive infotainment controls. Performance-wise, the new for 2018 RS trim is the only TT model that doesn't trail the competition. For that very reason, the Audi TT finishes near the bottom of RS. New for 2018. High-performance TT RS trim added. Front parking sensors now standard. Pros and cons. State-of-the-art infotainment system and controls. Elegant interior. Smooth ride. Above-average trunk space. Base coupe isn't very dynamic to drive. Some rivals have more powerful engines. The 2018 Audi TT is lively with its 4-cylinder engine and authoritative with its new 5-cylinder engine. The standard quattro all-wheel drive system keeps the coupe glued to the pavement on twisty roads, with effortless steering and gratifying engine sounds adding to the enjoyment. The all-new TT RS kicks performance up a notch, but even so, this is not built to be an aggressive sports car. It is a composed car for cruising and touring, and the base model in particular lacks the verve offered by its more powerful rivals in upper TT models. 3 powertrains are available for the 2018 TT, starting with the base turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 220 horsepower. This engine powers the TT Coupe and TT Roadster and earns better fuel economy estimates than most in this class, getting 23 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. The horsepower rating increases to 292 in the TTS, and highway gas mileage drops to 27 miles per gallon. Both engines are mated to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. While acceleration with the base engine gets mixed reviews, the TTS is praised for its strong acceleration. The all-new Audi TT RS comes with a 400 horsepower, turbocharged 2.5-liter 5-cylinder engine and a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. It has a higher top speed than the TT Coupe up to 174 miles per hour. Accelerates faster than the TTS reaching 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds, and is accompanied by the unique, satisfying exhaust notes of a 5-cylinder engine. Gas mileage is rated at 19 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. All-wheel drive comes standard in every 2018 TT model, adding extra grip that's noticeable on both wet and dry roads. Also standard is Audi Drive Select, which allows the driver to adjust the handling setup into comfort, dynamic, efficiency, auto, and individual modes. On TTS and TTRS trims, the suspension is augmented with a magnetic ride system that adjusts in milliseconds to changing road conditions. The 2018 Audi TT's best attributes are experienced from the front seat, where you are enveloped in luxurious materials and treated to a cozy, relaxing ride. The elegant styling is underscored by touches like the virtual cockpit and distinctive air vents. The front seats are roomy and comfortable, and the coupe's trunk has a nice amount of room. There's room for 4 people in TT Coupe models, while the TT Roadster convertible is limited to 2. A combination of leather and Alcantara synthetic suede upholstery is standard. The available sport seats upgrade seating surfaces to Nappa leather with diamond stitching. The front seats are spacious and comfortable, with heated seats and 12-way power adjustments in every model. The back seat has only 28.9 inches of legroom, which makes for narrow quarters, even for smaller travelers. This area does come in handy for keeping purses and small bags nearby, and the seat back folds with a 5050 split when you want to enlarge your trunk. Both rear seats have a tether anchor and a set of lower anchors for installing child safety seats. One of the key pieces of technology in the TT is the virtual cockpit. This 12.3-inch screen, mounted where the gauge cluster is normally found, not only shows vehicle gauges but also acts as the sole infotainment screen for the car. The system is responsive and takes only a little practice to learn, with adjustments made using the centrally mounted knob or with buttons on the steering wheel. By relocating even the navigation and audio operations to the virtual cockpit, Audi is able to delete the display screen from the center of the dash, which bolsters the interior's elegance. However, the steering wheel can occasionally block the view of the screen, and the screen's placement minimizes the passenger's participation with the infotainment system. Other standard features in the 2018 TT include Audi's MMI controller with handwriting recognition, a 9-speaker stereo, Bluetooth, 2 USB ports, satellite radio, automatic climate control, a proximity key, front and rear parking sensors, and a rear view camera. Audi offers options such as navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a 12-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system, and blind spot monitoring. The Roadster isn't as spacious, offering only 7.5 cubic feet of trunk space and no back seat for interior storage. That said, when the top is folded down, it doesn't encroach on the trunk space, or crush any belongings stored there, the way some convertible tops do.